Meaning of Gondwana.
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 Gondwana. Gondwana was a supercontinent that existed from the Neoproterozoic to the early Jurassic periods, which formed approximately 600 million years ago. It included present-day South America, Africa, India, Australia, and Antarctica. The name Gondwana comes from the Gond tribe in central India, where rocks formed during the breakup of the supercontinent are found. The supercontinent played a crucial role in the evolution of life on Earth, with the separation of its landmasses leading to the development of diverse and unique flora and fauna in each region.